Hi there, welcome to today's class. So today I'm going to teach you how you can manipulate your text on camera and also transform it to a text effect using Photopea. So the next thing to do is to click on custom size. Then there's have 2500 pixels for the white and 2500 pixels for the height and the width, equal sizes. Okay, and create new design. So the next thing to do is to go to your app, then click on the search bar, then type craft. Okay, then click on this type craft. Okay, alright, so you click on this text, which is typecraft 1, 2, 3, and let's say we want to use a word like let's say pray. Alright, so you can choose a font of your choice here. Let's use Anton regular 1, 2, 3. Right, now we can make this particular text, we can manipulate it by stretching it in a particular preferred direction that you want, you get. Alright, so meanwhile you can also change the color of the text. You can have it to be white. Okay, that's right. Alright, you can have something like this. Alright, so you can increase, you can move this. Alright, you can have something like this, or just depends on your choice. Alright, so when we have, if you have something like this, then you can add it. You click on add element to design. Okay, you can change the color of the background to black, then increase the size of this. Alright, so go to the element, then get a shape, like the rectangular shape, and change the color to white. And you can reduce the size. Just make sure it covers all the empty parts of A. You can have this. Yeah, this should be okay. Alright, so you can duplicate this and move it so that it covers the upper part. Then this other one, click on the layers, click on this, then you can stretch it. Yeah, this should be this should be good. This should be good. Now this should be okay. Then the one at the top should be used to cover everything properly so that the black won't reflect. You can still go to elements, then search for print and okay, here. So click on photo, then yeah, you click on this. Then you click on Magic Studio to remove the background. Okay, the background is removed. So you go to Effect, then click on Dual Tone, click on Custom, click on Shadow, then change it to black color. Change your lights to black color. Then you can reduce the size of the print and then bring it here. And you can enlarge it just to make sure that we obtain accuracy. Can increase it. Okay, I think this is still okay. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is what we can do this, or reduce the size. Reduce the size, then shift it. Yeah, we have something like this now. So you download it as a JPG file and download it. Alright, so then you can delete this. You can delete this. Then you go to your gallery and click on this present, then click on image and click on print. This effect, this text is manipulated. Now if you change the color background, this is what you have. Now you go to Magic Studio and click on background remover. Now change the background color to black. This is what we have. If you change the color to red, you see what we have. So that means you've successfully manipulated this text. Okay, you can use it in any design. Alright, and you can also transform this to a text effect of your choice. Alright, since you have this, you now save this as a PNG file. Then you click on transparent background so that you don't have a background. Then you download it. So alright, after downloading this, you can go to Chrome and go to freepik.com and search for golden text effect and search that okay. So let's use this. So click on download, then click on free download. I've downloaded this before, but for the sake of the class I will download it again. Thus you have to be patient. It takes time before some of these text effects gets downloaded. Right, it's almost done. Yeah, finally. Okay, so now you go to download, and you click on decoding test effects, then extract. Click on extract. It's loading. Yeah, then you click on done. The major reason why we extract, like I've done in the previous video, is so that you'll be able to use it on your smartphone. Okay, so let's go to Photopia and click on open from computer. Then you click on this particular PSD image, the first one. Alright, it's still loading, so we have to be patient. Okay. Alright, so finally we have it here. So you click on, the first thing you must do is to click on the layers. Then this particular box where you have gold as a text, you double click on it. Alright, so you click on the eye icon, so as to remove the text. Okay, so the next thing to do is click on the file, then click open and place. Do not click on open, click on open and place, and click on media picker. And you look for your the PNG file which you saved from Canva. Alright, you click on this. This can also be Pixel Lab users can also do that. I mean, you can get a text that you saved as a PNG file. You can also upload it here in case you are not using Canva. Alright, so then the next thing to do is click on file, then click on save as smart objects. Yeah, smart objects updated. Then after that you click on this M001 store. You click on this. It's actually loading, and be patient. Yeah, you see what we have here. Then, like you've done in the previous video, you click on layers. Alright, let me quickly say this. You can also do your normal test this way, even the test you didn't manipulate it before bringing it to Photopia. Alright, so then you click on the eye icon here, so that the background will not be visible. Then you click on the eye icon here, so as to remove the text on the background, the text around your text effects. Okay, yeah, you click on it. Yeah, so you are left with the shadow and the text effect. Then you can click on this edition, then you click on the eye. Yeah, so as to remove the shadow. Alright, so all we have here now is spray, which you can use in your next design project. And click on file, and click on export as, and export as PNG, and then click on save. Yeah, you can download, then you download it. And so you have your text effects. Alright, thanks for attending this class.